Alright, I've got this Stanley FMHT pliers. They come in set of 3, and there's a problem with them. First, when you open them up and close, it's really hard and stiff. And another thing is that's as far as it opens up. And if you see this, there's more space here to go, but it doesn't go. So there's a problem into this, the design, that it doesn't go further. So I think there's a problem in the pivot point, that they made the pivot point slightly in the wrong place, and that's why it doesn't go as far as it should be. This problem is with all of them, and that's as far as this one goes, and this one as well. This one goes slightly better. So that's that. Another problem is that this plier, when it's closed fully, if you see, you can see that it's still open up to here, and so open, close, it doesn't grab it. So if you've got something tiny to grab, you can't do it because it doesn't allow you. As you can see, it's alright. So that's my review about these pliers.